Welcome. Today I will show you how to repair Samsung A51 after water damage. Screen works properly, but touch not react. First we will need disassemble the housing, unscrew the middle frame, now as you can see there's a lot of corrosion. To check if this is not fault related with a charging flex cable, we replace that and check if the touch react. Original spare parts. The cost of the flex cable is around $15. Now test the screen. Touch still not work. So the next step of this repair is disassemble the screen from the frame. To do this, we use a thin metal plate and a solvent. You have to be very careful. The plastic thin opener can be very helpful. Remember, on the downside there is a flex tape. You have to do this very gentle. As you can see, there is corrosion around the touch IC. First of all, you should clean that with isopropanol, 99% of alcohol. Now check again the screen. Maybe now it's work. Unfortunately, touch not react. Again, disassemble the screen, and now using a soldering iron, you should desolder all these elements around the IC and check if the IC pins are not shorted and if they have properly connection with the traces around it. I use Wharton jelly flux and the soldering iron with a small tip. The temperature of soldering iron is about 300. I use some microscope. And very careful. Solder all the pads. This is quite easy step. But you have to be patient. In my case, the one track should be repaired. I use a thin wire to connect it. Now the final result of my work. It looks quite good, but we will see. If it works. As you can see, the phone boot a little bit faster than previous. And yes, it worked. So this is the solution of that fault. Thank you, until the next time.